Dollar is pushing back up again. Now, obviously, it's got to take out this 97.50 area again, but I'm still expecting that last high in the pattern in the dollar. So again, conversely in the euro, I'm still expecting this last low, and both are holding their patterns to do just that. Cable, absolutely nothing to update on. It, you know, it either holds above 126.61 or it doesn't. At the moment, the price action isn't giving us any clues as to which way it's going to go from here. Ideally, I'd like the CF2 up to get short. US dollar, Japanese yen, it's done the minimum here for this B wave to be in. It hit the 50% retrace of this little move up here, although we can get a B, C down to one of the lower fibs. Take out 114.03 and it targets a minimum of 115.06 and more likely into the 116s in the US dollar, Japanese yen next. Australian dollar, I'm looking ideally for it to come down now to 71.42 to 70.96 into this lower support region. And if we hit and hold in there, that would get me long, but it's proving tricky to get a safe entry on this thing.